Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to make a sliced lemon in Canva. First of all, select any template from Canva design. I have chosen Facebook poster. Now select an image of lemon from photo gallery. I have found one image. I have removed the image background by using Canva background remover tool. You can also remove this background by downloading this image and then using remove.bg website. After that, you are going to make rectangles around this lemon which are equally spaced such that they will be showing that they will show a cutting on the lemon. After this, download this particular image as PNG and then again upload it. When the image is uploaded, again draw rectangles on top of this uploaded image on page 2. Now the color of these rectangles should be yellow and the color of previous rectangles were white. Then you are going to make these slices, the duplicates of these yellow rectangles in a tilted form as shown in the video. After that, using the sliced image, again make the copies on top of the previous rectangles and each time adjust the slides as I have done in the image such that they are covering the only piece which we are requiring. Move the yellow rectangles on the back side of this slice. You are going to repeat this procedure for 4 times such that each time your pieces of lemon would be shown on top of the previous yellow rectangles. This way you are going to find an image. Now download this particular page as PNG. Once downloaded, upload it again, and now your design of the lemon slices is ready. You can tilt this lemon and then design it as I've done in the picture. By using a rectangle, I have selected a rectangle to make the background on half side. You can use this rectangle piece for covering the background and then make some bars and write any text you want. Hopefully you like this video. Do not forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you very much.